Did you know that there's a natural supplement that can help regulate blood sugar, lower cholesterol levels, and even aid in weight loss? Hey, welcome to Wellness Academy. In this video, I'm going to talk about the benefits of berberine. Not a lot of people might not have heard of this supplement before, but it's a powerhouse when it comes to improving your health. I'm going to break down all the different ways that berberine can help you live a better life and why you want to consider its benefits today. We always need to start by clarifying this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Please do your own research and always consult with your physician before starting any protocols. Berberine is a powerful plant compound that has been used for centuries in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine. The first recorded use of berberine dates back to the 7th century, when it was used to treat diarrhea and other gastrointestinal issues. It was also used to alleviate infections and inflammation. In ancient China, berberine was used to treat a variety of conditions, from liver disease to high blood pressure, and it was also used to promote overall health and vitality. In Ayurvedic medicine, berberine was used to treat infections, inflammation, and digestive issues, and it was believed to promote longevity and enhance cognitive function. Today, modern research has confirmed many of these ancient uses of berberine. Let's begin by talking about how it helps improve blood sugar control. Berberine has been shown to improve blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity, which means that cells are better able to respond to insulin signals to take up glucose from the bloodstream. It does this by activating an enzyme called AMPK, which helps to increase glucose uptake in cells and decrease glucose production in the liver. Berberine has also been shown to decrease the absorption of glucose in the intestines, further reducing blood sugar levels. Several studies have demonstrated the effectiveness of berberine in improving blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes, making it a promising natural alternative to conventional diabetes medications. Berberine has also been shown promising results in lowering cholesterol levels. A 2010 study published by Cambridge University Press, linked in the description, also identified several benefits berberine can provide. According to the research, besides helping regulate blood sugar, berberine can also help lower cholesterol levels and even aid in weight loss. It can lower total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol levels, which are risk factors for heart disease. When it comes to weight loss, berberine can help by increasing energy expenditure and reducing fat storage. In a study published in the American Journal of Physiology, link in the description, berberine was found to reduce body weight, abdominal fat mass, and waist circumference in people with metabolic syndrome. Another study published in the journal Science Direct found that taking berberine supplements can lead to significant weight loss. Obese individuals who took 500 milligrams of berberine 3 times a day for 12 weeks lost an average of 5 pounds more. 5 pounds can be quite noticeable for some people. Berberine also reduces inflammation. It can inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are small proteins that promote inflammation. Berberine helps reduce inflammation by inhibiting the activity of specific molecules that promote inflammation in the body, like cytokines and nuclear factor kappa B, NFKB. This means that berberine can help regulate the immune response and prevent the body from overreacting to stimuli that can cause chronic inflammation. So in simpler terms, berberine works to reduce inflammation by targeting the molecules that promote it. By doing so, it can help prevent chronic inflammation and the associated health issues. In short, berberine can be an effective and natural way to help regulate blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol, promote weight loss, and reduce inflammation. But really, these are only some of the many benefits berberine can offer. As always, make sure you choose a high-quality supplement. We've included our top 3 recommendations in the description below, and check with your healthcare provider if you take advantage of this powerful compound. If you found this information valuable, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. See you next time.